Today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be doing some light reading. So let's dive right into what we're going to be going over inside of this Moccasin module. This is going to be a new section of that module. So in this section, we will go over the process of using the encrypted private key in our Moccasin script. This section is called using an encrypted private key in our Moccasin script. Now that we have encrypted our private key right in Moccasin, what we can do now is use this command in our terminal to deploy our contract to the Anvil network. We will say mox run deploy -- network Anvil -- account Anvil1. Since Moccasin knows about our account Anvil1 and has been able to decrypt the private key, it should be able to deploy our contract to the Anvil network without any issues. Once we deploy our contract and run the command, we should be prompted with the request for the password we use to encrypt the private key. Once we enter the correct password, our contract should decrypt the private key and deploy to the Anvil network without any issues. Note, we shouldn't see any receipt of the deployment in the Anvil terminal. In this next section, we will go over the account command line options, which are account command line options, titled the section. In this section, we will go over the different command line options we can use when deploying our contract to a different network. I'm going to leave it there right now. Like I said, we're going to go over this piece by piece so you can digest it fully. So stay tuned for that.